In this video, we are going to explain how you can submit your candidates' school-assessed grades using our grade submission system. You may have used the grade submission system to submit your grades in June 2020, but we have made some changes in line with our new grading process for June 2021. If you are an Associate Centre, you can find more information about how your Cambridge Associate is involved in this process in our how-to guide and FAQs available on our website. The grade submission system will open on Tuesday the 18th of May and will be open until Wednesday 16th of June 2021. In this time, you will need to allocate school-assessed grades to all your candidates that have entries. If you need information on how you can do this, please see our website where you can find lots of support and guidance. Before the system opens for grade submission, you will have an opportunity to log in and set up accounts for your head of centre and other teachers at your centre from Monday the 10th of May. We recommend that you check the details that may already be in the system from the June 2020 series. If these details are incorrect, please correct them as soon as possible. Making sure all user details are correct early in the process will make the submission process quicker and easier. We recommend you submit your grades for approval as soon as the data for each syllabus is added to the system, so that your head of centre can approve these and send them to us. You can find more information about managing users on the grade submission system on our website. If we need you to provide portfolios of candidate evidence and rationale documents, we will contact you after you have submitted your school-assessed grades to us. Please make sure you are regularly checking your school email during this time. We will release results for Cambridge International AS and A-Level, Cambridge Pre-U and Cambridge ACE Diploma on the 10th of August. We will release results for Cambridge IGCSE and Cambridge O-Level on the 12th of August. There is an Exams Officer webinar on how to prepare for results release for the June 2021 series on the 14th of July 2021. From the 10th of May, Exams Officers will be able to log into the grade submission system using the link on screen now. If you use the grade submission system for the June 2020 series, you will use the same login details for the June 2021 series. If you do not already have a grade submission system account, you will receive an email from us after the 10th of May asking you to access your account and set up your password. We will send the email to the address that we usually use to contact you. You will use this email address to access the system. If your email has changed recently or you are a new exams officer, please contact customer services to make sure we have the correct email address now. You will be able to manage forgotten passwords yourself using the forgotten password link on the login screen. Remember, this is a different login to your usual Cambridge International Direct username and password. As exams officer, you are responsible for setting up and managing accounts for your head of centre, as well as other teachers in your school. You can do this in the system. If you have any problems logging in, please contact customer services. When the submission window opens on the 18th of May, you will be able to log into the system with your email and password, as will any teachers who have accounts and your head of centre. You need to submit all grades on this system. You will not be able to submit grades using Cambridge International Direct. When you log in, you will see a list of the qualifications and syllabuses you have entries for. Click the qualification type to see the list of syllabuses that you have entries for by qualification type, for example, Cambridge IGCSE. From here, you have the option to submit grades online or to download a CSV template, which is pre-populated with your candidate's details. You can complete this offline and upload it. For schools with a large number of entries, We strongly recommend you download the CSV template to make the process of submitting grades easier for you. You can change how you submit your grades at any point during the process. For example, if you start adding grades online and decide you then want to continue offline, any grades you have added so far will be pre-populated onto the CSV template. You can then download the template and continue allocating grades offline. To enter grades online, you will need to find the qualification and syllabus you want to enter the grades for and click Edit. This you can see as a green button to the right of the syllabus title. You will then see a list of all of the candidates who are entered for that syllabus, along with their candidate numbers. From here, you select a grade for each candidate. As you begin assigning grades, the progress counter on the left-hand side shows how many candidates you have graded and the total number of candidates for that syllabus. You can also see the number of candidates in each grade. If you do not have enough evidence to provide a grade for a candidate, you should put an X in the grade column. This will withdraw them from that syllabus. If you need to change a grade, click on the new grade next to the candidate. This will replace the existing grade. You will see a pop-up to notify you if you change a grade. You can also save your progress at any point in this process. The system also autosaves. If you want to print the screen, you can do this using the setting in your browser. If you have a large number of entries or are concerned about your internet connection, you can also choose to enter grades offline. When you click on each syllabus, there is the option to download a pre-populated template that includes names and candidate numbers. Using the template, you can rearrange candidates into whichever order is most convenient to you. However, you cannot add or delete candidates from the file. If you do this, when you go to upload the file to the system, you will get an error message. Also, if you notice any spelling errors in candidate names, for example issues with special characters, you will again need to contact us so we can edit this manually. Once you have added the grades, you can upload the template to the grade submission system. When you do this, the system will notify you if there are any errors. Once you are happy with the grades for each syllabus, you can submit them. You can only submit one syllabus at a time. When you click Send for approval, the system will flag any errors, such as missed grades. When you have submitted the grades for approval, your head of centre will need to log into the system to view and approve each syllabus. If you have not set your head of centre up on the system, you will not be able to send grades for approval. Once your head of centre has approved and submitted grades for a syllabus, you will no longer be able to edit these in the system. In order for the head of centre to submit grades to Cambridge International, they will need to submit a head of centre declaration. You can find out more about this on our website. For more support and guidance on using the grade submission system, see our website. You can also contact customer services for any further advice. If you are an associate centre or work through the British Council, you should contact your Cambridge Associate or local British Council office with any questions.